Hello everyone, and check out this Fire Beauty Smokeless Fire Pit for your next backyard gathering. Its unique double-walled design creates a powerful airflow that burns off smoke and toxic gases effectively. You can enjoy a cozy fire without worrying about that lingering smell on your clothes or hair. Cleaning up is a breeze, thanks to the removable ash pan located right under the main chassis. The heavy steel frame is rust-proof and built to withstand various weather conditions for long-term use. It features a round cooking grate and a poker for easy grilling on your patio or deck. This portable fire pit is the perfect choice for camping trips or relaxing nights in the garden. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.